Okay, so let's take a look at uploading files to Wix. I have just a template here, I haven't worked with it yet, so that I have text that isn't ready. Just pretend with me that my website is ready to go and I want to add files to it. So it might be documents or other types of files. At the left-hand side, I'm going to click My Uploads, and then I'm going to advance to they call it Docs. I'm going to click the arrow to advance there. You'll see that I already have added some files. I'm going to add one more. Here on my desktop, I have an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to drag that over, drag and drop it to add it, or you can use the Upload Docs button. Either way works great. Once you have all of your docs uploaded, and they say docs, but really they mean files. And so in the instructions, we talked to you about having different types of files to showcase your different types of skills. Once you have all of those ready, and at any time you can go back and add more. So make sure the files are ready, make sure they're uploaded, and then I'm going to close that window. I'm also going to close uploads here. Wait a minute, now I have to think about this for just a second. I want to add those, sorry. Under my uploads, I want to add those files. So sorry, I'm going to advance back to the docs window here. And can I move this up? Oh gosh, the camera's in the way. In the lower right hand corner, which you can't see because I'm in the way, there's a button that says Add to Page. So I'm going to select whatever file I want to work with. I'm going to click, oh, it won't go. Let me see if I can force it here. If I can scroll down a little bit. Rats. I'm so close. Oh, here's what I'll do. I'm going to move this little guy out of the way. There we go. So I'm going to select the file I want to work with. Where are we? And I don't want to... sorry, there it is. I knew there was a check mark someplace. Check mark the file that you want to work with. Click Add to Page. So I am active on the page where I want it to appear, but then I can place it wherever. So while you're doing that, I have to remind you, I think it says this in the instructions, but when you're adding files to your website, it is critical that you add a little description of what you want the viewer to notice in that file. So it's not enough that I've uploaded a PDF to show that I have good writing skills. I have to say that in a little blurb here because I might be trying to showcase something else, like my document layout skills or whatever. Or my ability to write to conduct solid research and write a academic report. You have to describe it next to the file. Describe what it is, what the purpose of it is, and then what you're trying to showcase in that file. So do that for every file that you upload. And then I have to give one more word of caution. When you're uploading files, make sure that you're demonstrating your skills. So if you've done group work, I would recommend do not upload the entire file. Take either a print screen or a snip of the part of the file that shows your skills and then talk about how you contributed to the group. One more thing. Try to showcase skills where you don't need to upload the entire file. So for us, really, that most often happens when people want to showcase their QuickBook accounting skills or perhaps their database skills. You don't want to upload an entire database. Just take a picture of, for example, your table relationships or the queries, the list of queries that you've made. Take a print screen or a snip of that, save it as a picture, upload that picture, and then add a little description that talks about all of the fantastic skills that you have. And the same is true with accounting software like the QuickBooks or the Peachtree or whatever. You don't want to upload the entire file. If you want to showcase some skills there, you could export your reports to a PDF, or again, just take a snip or a print screen. So give it a go. Let me know if you have any questions.